Here with a Shido outlook here. All right, first off, we had this, you can see it in here. We had 5 waves up in this thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, you had 5 waves up. This is on a weekly chart. All right, and now you can see the pullback down here came right down to weekly support. All right, that is what you want to see. I was expecting this thing to bounce a long time ago, but if you're looking for a place for it to bounce, this closing candle, and we've gotten a nice bounce from this area. All right, that is a perfect spot for a rebound. All right, now if you go out and look at a Fibonacci on this thing, oh, excuse me, take it from the swing low up to the swing high. That's a 50% retracement. We take it from here. Right from here, there you go, you got a 702. That's beautiful. That's nice. That's a very, very good spot for a bounce. Yeah, I would be looking for a rebound from here, and yeah, right as I make the video, it's starting to move up a little bit. Very good spot for a retracement. All right, where would I expect a retracement to come in on this thing? Well, out of this whole move, let's go out to daily. All right, you'd be looking for a retracement up to these areas, possibly up here. All right, let's get a fib on here and look, back up to 10.7 to 11.2. All right, and the reason I really think that is if you look on a daily on this thing, the daily is just starting up. You got your daily RSI at the very, very bottom. Oversold, okay, and this is normally where price would push up. All right, just like in the back of the beginning here, if you come back on Shido, you had this push up, and as the RSI pulled down, you had price pull down, push up, pull down. Now we're right at the very bottom, just starting up. Very strong up push too, a 15 and a 5. All right, that's a very strong upward momentum. You got your 12-hour, 32 and a 12, 35 and a 12. Strong upward momentum pushing on this thing now. All right, you got your 8-hour just starting up also, 47 and a 24. All right, so all these RSIs look very, very good on this thing. I would be, once it gets up into this range, 10.7 to 11.2, I'd start being a little bit cautious, especially if your daily is getting towards the top. It could take a week to get up here. It could take, who knows? Time is hard to judge. Time is super hard to judge, especially with stuff like this. We'll just have to see how it plays out. All right, but you always get retracements, guys. Always get retracements. All right, I've been holding this bag. I got in on a bag somewhere around here, and I'm in the hole right now. Quite honestly, I thought this ABC was going to signal a low in here, and it actually ended up going lower than that. So I see this weekly support come in, and I see a very good area for a bounce. And if it would roll over, I don't think it's going to roll over. I would almost bet on that. But if it rolled over from here, it would be coming down to half a cent. 0.0057 area. That's the next weekly support down there. I think it's going to bounce from here. It got all the RSIs heading up. All the big ones. You got the all the big ones. That weekly is just starting to have a weekly RSI, but the daily, the 12 and the 8 are all at the bottom. Expect this thing to make some pretty big moves this week, I would imagine. I would expect to see this thing really start ripping out of here pretty soon. But I'm going to leave this on here for the next video we do, and see where we're at. It could start pushing up fairly quick, up towards this 10.7. It might just zigzag its way up there and work its way up there slowly. But as long as it doesn't take out this that 0.0070, then this thing is fine. All right, I believe a bottom has 100% come in here. So I would be looking for upward momentum on Shido for sure. Now, as far as Bitcoin goes, Bitcoin is approaching the 0.702 Fibonacci level. Okay, getting up there very, very close at 53,000 area. We were looking at a few things in another video. If you want to go watch my Bitcoin video, it's well worth your time watching, guys. Please go check it out. It's not very long. Go check it out and see the targets we have here for this thing. I bet you there's going to be a ton of sell orders up here at 53. A lot of people think since we made it through the 618, sky's the limit, and it could be. It could be. Nobody knows 100% for sure. But we got some weekly bearish divergence here on Bitcoin. We got a maxed out. The weekly's just starting up, but the monthly, adding 100 and a 100. And then that weekly, we got the bearish RSI down here. We got this high and a lower high. And then on price, we have that high and a higher high. So we got bearish divergence on the weekly. So we'll just have to keep a very close eye on it. But Shido overall, Shido looks like a possible bottom in here and a run back up. All right. All right, thank you very much. Please hit the like and subscribe. Consider signing up for a level 3 trading membership, $14.99, 9 hours worth of videos to teach you how to do this stuff, guys. All right, thanks a lot. I'll talk to you soon.